Hello everyone, in this video we're going to discuss the employees module in details. As you can see on the screen, there is a complete list of employees working under your organization. All necessities of employees needs to be filled. Let's create an employee. Employee's name, job position, work mobile, work information, every information. These are the required information that needs to be filled. Company's information needs to be put here. Select the department and manager, which is very important. Coach, this is work related information, your work address, work location. Here is your expense manager, your time off manager, the organization flow chart you can see here, your schedule, your time zone according to your country. Then you have private information of an employee. Ask them to fill it or fill it by the HR. Their address, their email, even their homework distance, their marital status, their citizenship information, emergency contacts, education and qualification. Then we have HR settings, which will be set by the HR or the admin, the related user of an employee, the job position, PIN code and badge ID for attendance purposes. You can easily generate here. Save it. Also, you can see there's a contract here. You can attach the contract, an employee here, in the payslips and the hours last month you have worked on. Here you can create a contract of an employee. Simply create contract, employee name and department. By default they are selected. The job position, salary structure selected. It's mostly the same, the basic one. Let me show you where the basic and gross and net salary is included. Simply just add them. You can add more if you're offering some allowances. You can simply create from this button and add it. Then we save it. Then we have salary generator. It's according to the accountant you will select it. Then we have salary information here. You can add the wage. Here you can mention the salary according to the SR, according to your currency, whatever your country is. Then save the details of the contract. If it's new, it's running, expired, or cancelled, we will select that, move that stage from one to other simply. Here we can edit the contract or delete it. Let's go back to the employees. Here you can see the contract is attached here. So all the information, important and required information has been added of the employee salary. Here you can go back and then search it. Here it is. You can use filters, absent today, how many employees are absent today. You can add the custom filters according to your needs and requirement. You can group by manager or department. Simply sales department employees will be shown like this. When we go back to the employee directory, and you can see all the employees working in the organization. Then we have departments. Here you can create a new department, the sales administrative department. When you click on the employees button, you will see the employees working in sales department. Here are the absent employees. Time of request are either confirmed or validated on that day. Here you can see the expense report of this department, specific department, their attendance and their time off. Let me show you. Graphically, it will show you. You can use the bar chart, the line chart, the pie chart, ascending, descending order. Use the filter of department to approve, to post, refuse, expense report. You can change it in this view. It's up to you. Use filters. Let's go back to the department. Here you can check the attendances report in a graphical manner simply by using the filters. Check in like monthly, quarterly, yearly. Use the filters for your ease. Then we have configuration settings where you will create the job position. It's like creating the one like sales manager, department, expected new employees, one or two. You will save it. The recruitment in progress. If you want to stop the recruitment, you can click the stop recruitment and then save it. This is how you create a job position. Recruitment is in progress. Then we have departments. You can easily create department from here too. You create it and define the manager of the department. You can also upload a plan. It could be a training, could be onboarding, offboarding. You can simply create it. Type of activity, training. You can select it, you can create it. Employee who is responsible, you can add the name of the employee. Person simply and save it. You have launched the planning. So this was the employees module.